So a lot of people would mistake the food arousal that Murphy has for food aggression, when in fact he's just overly aroused by the idea of food. I'm going to be working with him on some impulse control and teaching him that he doesn't have to get over aroused by food every time it's offered to him. So the first step of the exercise is I'm going to count out 5 treats, or 5 pieces of kibble in this case, and I'm going to give them one after the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to repeat this exercise a few times so he starts to learn that he can be calm when food is offered to him. So now that we've done that a couple of times and Murphy's getting a little bit softer with his mouth, I'm going to repeat the same exercise, but I'm going to pause 1 second between each piece of food this time. And I'm going to wait for calm behavior. So I'm going to do 1, 1 second, 2, 1 second, 3, 1 second, 4, 1 second, 5. So we're getting this nice, relatively calm puppy behavior here. He's not jumping and biting at my hands to try to get the treat like he was in the beginning. Once we've repeated that exercise a few more times, then we're going to up the criteria to 2 or 3 seconds between each treat. And he has to remain calm in between each treat. That's the rule for him to get the next treat in the series. Okay. So we're not going to reinforce for that jumping behavior. We're going to ask for him to stay on the ground, whether it's in a sit or a stand, it doesn't matter. We're going to give 1 treat, 1, 2, 2 treats, 1, 2, 3 treats. His mouth was softer that time. 4 treats, 1, 2, and 5 treats. And that was much softer on the mouth there. Even though he did try to kind of nibble at my finger, the pressure was much lighter on that one. This time I'm going to see if I can get 6 seconds of calm behavior between each treat with him. And ideally we want a nice soft mouth, or as soft as possible anyway. First treat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second treat. That was good. I got a little lick there. 3, 4, 5, 6. Third treat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth treat. That was nice and soft. 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 5th treat. So what I'm also looking for is not snatching the food out of my hand, and if he goes to snatch it, which that one was pretty good, I'm going to pull my hand away. But he's actually getting much softer here, so I'm going to keep feeding him these treats. Good, so now I'm getting a lot of licking instead of the biting of my fingers, and that is much more enjoyable for my hand. Murphy. Good, there we go, good job. You can do this exercise just with their kibble. It doesn't have to be with anything specific. And you can use it during meal times so that they're just working for their kibble and doing a food arousal exercise. The more you repeat this, the softer the mouth will become, and over time you'll have a nice gentle puppy mouth instead of a shark.